Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft failed to write core dump error. This error usually happens when Minecraft crashes, but your system cannot save crash data due to permission issue, low storage, or system restriction. First, just go ahead and restart your computer and try launching Minecraft again to clear temporary issue. Also, make sure you have enough free storages on your drive because Minecraft needs space to create crash dump files. Now run Minecraft Launcher as an administrator. Just go ahead and search for Minecraft and just click on Run as Administrator for Minecraft Launcher. After that, just go ahead and press Control, Shift, and Escape key on your keyboard to open Task Manager, and make sure you close all the heavy background apps like browser or recording software before launching the game again. And after that, just go ahead and update your graphics driver. In your Windows search bar, just go ahead and search for Device Manager, and just go ahead and open the Device Manager. And from here, locate your graphics driver. And from here, just go ahead and go to Display Adapters and just right-click on your graphics and choose to update driver and click on Search Automatically for drivers. And once you have done that, also make sure your Minecraft launcher is also updated to the latest version. If the issue still continues, reinstall Minecraft completely to fix any corrupted files. The simple rule is lack of permission or storages causes core dump error, and running in admin mode with enough free space usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft failed to write core dump error by freeing storage space using administrator mode, updating driver, and reinstalling Minecraft. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.